So the second question is mentioning that, okay, we should use the report wizard, right, to create a report having the following requirements written on the screen. Okay, now what we do, let me just minimize this one. And okay, we'll go under create, then we'll go where it says report wizard. Okay, there's the report, right, but we need a report wizard. There it is. This one we've selected. Just one click on one tab. Then it will bring out this table, right? Okay, before that, this form will show up on the screen, right? So now our question says what we have to do, use the following, use the wizard, report wizard, to create the report having the following requirements. Select the last name from the authors table. Okay, they did not even put a last name on the question, so we do not have that part. So select the pub name from the publisher table, which we have pub name. So we just select, send it on the other side. View the data of the publisher at the grouping level. Okay, select the last name. We do not have a last name here written. Okay, let's just say this one, they meant to put this pub ID as a last name. Okay, so let's just click next. So what I have to do, right, do you want to add any grouping levels? Okay, now view the data by the publisher, right? Yeah, I did viewed it. Then add a grouping level using last name. Okay, yes. Pub name. Okay, this one is being used as the last name. Then we click on next. Now sort the report by the title field in ascending order. So here we have to sort everything, right? So this is the ascending order. Yes. So sort the report by the title field in ascending order. Okay. Pub name, ascending order, yes. And we click on next. Now type book list as the report's title. Okay, on the following part, that's where we're going to do it. Press next. Okay, now we're going to rename the title to be book list, just like that. Then we click on finish and just wait for it. Okay, let's just zoom in. As you can see, this is the whole report which is created using a Microsoft Access. So this is how you create a report and a table in Microsoft Access. Okay, thank you for watching.